Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. This is going to be part 2 of us reviewing the 8 parts of speech. So we've already gone over nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and verbs. Today we're going to be talking about adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So starting with adverbs, an adverb describes how the action is performed. They tell you how much, how often, when, and where something is done. So there are a couple examples on the screen, and we are going to look at an example question. So Aaron ran the 5K quickly. We want to figure out what is the adverb in this sentence. So we would ask ourselves, how did she run the 5K? A is Aaron, B is ran, C is quickly. So yes, we should have picked quickly for our adverb. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words together. Some examples of conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, although, yet, so, either, and also. Once again, there are a few examples on the screen, and we're going to look at an example question. So conjunctions, once again, bring words together. Aaron loves to swim and play at the beach. What is the conjunction in this sentence? Is it A, beach, B, swim, play, C, at, or D, and? Hopefully you picked and as our conjunction, which is bringing the different events in the sentence together. Next, we're going to talk about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows possession or direction. Some examples are in, out, under, over, after, out, into, up, down, for, and between. So there are some examples on the slide, and we're going to look at an example question. So once again, prepositions are words that show possession or direction. I ran towards the school bus, so we want to ask ourselves, what did I do? And then where, in which direction did I run? So is the preposition in this sentence, I ran towards the school bus, A, towards, B, ran, or C, school bus? The correct answer is towards. That would be our preposition in that sentence. Lastly, we're going to talk about interjections. Interjections are words that show strong emotions, such as examples of wow, ouch, hooray, and oh no. Interjections can really liven up a sentence. They help to voice the tone of your writing. So this is an example sentence. I want you to identify the interjection. It's wow, you did a fabulous job. So let's figure out which one of these words is the interjection. Is it job, fabulous, or wow? I hope you picked wow as the interjection in that sentence. Alright, we're going to do a quick review. I want you to tell me which form of the 8 forms of speech is the correct answer for this question. I connect words or groups of words to make a complete sentence. Is it A, adjective, B, verb, C, adverb, or D, conjunction? The correct answer is conjunction. Next, I show emotion in a sentence. What am I? Is it A, adjective, B, interjection, C, verb, or D, noun? The correct answer is interjection. I describe a verb. I tell how something is done. Is it A, adjective, B, verb, C, adverb, or D, preposition? The correct answer is adverb. I show possession or direction. What am I? Is it A, adjective, B, noun, C, preposition, or D, pronoun? The correct answer is preposition. Alrighty guys, that is everything as far as the notes for parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech, and we will at some point have a quiz on the different parts of speech. Please make sure that you complete your IXL next. Alrighty, talk to you guys later. Bye.